In this week's Higher Ed Highlights, a group from ODHE, including Chancellor Carey, recently ventured to Central State University for an update on a variety of projects. The HBCU and land-grant university provided its guests with an overview of several capital and land-grant projects, along with a tour of the Hallie Q Library, which is in the midst of a renovation. The day started with a presentation from Central State Chief Information Officer Tanja Coverdale, who updated the group on a new cloud-based software that will allow the university to help its students by packaging its financial aid more efficiently. Chancellor Carey and staff also received updates on Central State's new Residential Academic Wellness Center project that is scheduled to open by the fall of 2019, and heard about the school's land-grant projects from Dr. Alton B. Johnson, Dean of CSU's College of Engineering, Science, Technology, and Agriculture. The visit concluded with a walk through the library led by CSU consultant Chris Widener, a former member of the Ohio Senate and longtime Central State advocate. The library renovation is an $8.5 million project funded entirely through the state's capital budget. Chancellor Carey also recently provided remarks at meetings hosted by ODHE with the Education Advisory Board, where attendees from Ohio's community colleges and universities shared high-impact practices for integrating academic and career development. EAB's Dr. Stephen Teskey talked with Sherry Rice from ODHE after his keynote remarks about how colleges and universities can support experiential learning.
So when you think about the professional development of undergraduate or graduate students at 4- and 2-year institutions, a lot of people look to traditional academic programs to provide students with the kind of professional growth and discernment opportunities they're looking for coming out of their time with an institution. That said, there are a whole host of other opportunities presented by institutions inside the classroom, but outside of the classroom, in the broader community in a lot of cases, where students can both build, demonstrate, and discover the professional skills that are really going to set them up for long-term success.
Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed. And check out our website at ohiohighered.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed Highlights.